Hi everyone. We know that Valentine's Day just passed, but we would like to make some fun decorations still for our house, just to spread the joy and love all year round. So to make this craft, you just need some newspaper, scissors, a pencil, and then a heart cutout. So I've actually got a cookie cutter here, but you can make your own out of cardstock as well. So you can draw the shape of the heart, cut it out with scissors, and use that as your template. So I'm going to open the newspaper up, and we're going to make a heart-shaped garland. So you can see here I've got started, and I did some of my heart shapes all the way across, and they're going to be connected in the middle so that the garland goes the whole way across and doesn't get disconnected. So I'm going to do my next heart here. And again, it's overlapped a little bit. I'm going to use my pencil and trace the inside of my cookie cutter, or you're going to trace your heart shape that you made yourself. And that's not going to quite fit, so I will leave that there. So I've got my heart shapes all done on the newspaper. Now I'm going to grab my scissors. I'm going to cut it out. So remember, we're not going to cut the center or between each of the hearts. I'm going to cut around. I'm going to leave that connected. This is great scissor practice too for those fine motor skills parents. So I'm going to cut almost all the way up, but leave it connected still. So I'm just going to do this far for now, just to show you what the garland will look like. And then I'm just going to cut along the top, same way I did along the bottom. But I'm not going to cut too close to the center. Try to leave maybe 2 finger widths between each of the hearts. Does that work? About 2 finger widths? Perfect. Almost done. I've got one more to go. There we go. So, again, this is just a short one. You can make yours longer, but there is my heart garland made out of newspaper. So what I think I'm going to do actually is maybe grab a little bit of string to put on the back, and then I can hang that in my window. You could also consider decorating them if you want. You could grab your markers, your pencil crayons, and maybe you could practice writing your name even on top of the newspaper and then hang that in your window. Just sort of a fun way to spread the joy and spread the love all year round. We hope you enjoyed this Maker Monday video, and we'll see you next time.